Okay, so let's solve a few of these equations. So here's your first one. What we want to do here is get x, the variable on the side by itself. So we're going to transpose the 7. So this will become x is equal to 13 minus 7. It's minus because on the left-hand side it was plus. So then x is equal to 6. And we're good to go with that one. All right. Let's try another one. Let's say we have 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of the 7 again. And so we get 2x is equal to 13 minus 7. So that's going to be 6. And so then x will be equal to 6 divided by 2. And so x then is equal to 3. All right. So let's try another one. So let's say we have 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 13. So we want to transpose the minus 1. It will become positive on the other side. So I have minus 13 plus 1. And so I have 3x is equal to minus 12. If I divide by 3 on both sides, I get minus 12 divided by 3. And so I get x then is equal to minus 4. Okay, so let's try another one. So let's say I have 5x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 10. So now I have x's on both sides of the equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over here where I have the larger x, and then I'll take the constant, which is the 1, over that side. All right, so let's get to it. So I have 5x minus 2x is equal to 10 minus 1. So this becomes a minus 1 because the 1 was positive on the left-hand side. This 2x is positive on the right-hand side, so when I take it over to the left, it becomes negative. So this is 3x is equal to 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is equal to 3.